In this video I show you 3 best watch repair kits. All these 3 best watch repair kits 2020 are best in rating, price and customer satisfaction. You can easily buy all these 3 best watch repair kits by using links given below in description. Let's get started. Watches are a pretty perfect accessory. They are functional and let you display your personal style. But what happens when they break? Don't despair. With these watch repair kits, you'll have your wristwear ticking along in no time. They're nothing quite like fixing your own watch, seeing all the tiny pieces that keep it ticking. These are our picks for the best watch repair kits on the market. Eventronic Watch Repair Kit. Best overall. Eventronic Watch Repair Kit has all the tools a professional uses to fix a watch. With a little bit of practice, you can make any repair yourself, from changing out the band to fixing a gasket. Eventronic Watch Repair Kit promises that you'll spend less on this kit and a battery than you would at a watch repair place. That could save hundreds of dollars in the long run. S2 Watch Repair Kit. Best for beginners. S2 Watch Repair Kit comes with 16 pieces, so you can fix just about any timepiece with ease, no matter how large or small. It also comes in a handy carrying case to keep all the whole set organized. S2 Watch Repair Kit. With the included illustrated 41-page manual, this watch repair kit has everything you need to repair watches of any size. Ehua Watch Repair Tool Kit. Best value. Ehua Watch Repair Tool Kit has everything you could ever need for watch repair. With its plethora of instruments to fix any watch problem, big or small, you'll be running out of watches to fix before you run out of parts of this kit to use. It a tremendous value. Ehua Watch Repair Tool Kit. The Ehua Watch Repair Tool Kit is a complete set that can even fix watch bands with its handy link repair tool. With this collection of watch repair kits, you'll be sure to have the time back in no time at all.